The relationship between love and climate change is quite difficult to speak of because in some ways it's quite complicated. First of all, we have to accept that climate breakdown is not an accident, but a consequence. A consequence of the way in which we have chosen to be. A way of being which has caused the pollution and the damage to the environment. Climate breakdown is caused by a way in which we have chosen to live. A way of life that is shaped by the culture of separation and conflict. Now, to some extent, there is no way of changing what is happening. We are already past what's called plus 1.5 Celsius, which was meant to be a threshold, and we're moving towards plus 2. We will not be able to hold that. It will move beyond plus 2. And we don't really have any idea of what that is going to be like. But we can say this, that given that it will cause much disruption and catastrophe, the quality that is going to be needed to cope with that catastrophe, we need to learn to love in order to transform our way of being into a form which is aligned with the needs of nature. And it is the absence of love that has brought us to where we are. Love will play a central part in the future of our relationship with climate.